These are the only 10 exercises you need to do after 40 years old. Aging doesn't have to slow you down. With just 10 simple exercises, you can stay active, healthy, and strong at any age. Here are 3 key movements to start transforming your body. Squats are essential for strengthening the legs and glutes, improving joint stability, and maintaining mobility. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your hips back as if sitting in a chair, and keep your chest lifted. Make sure your knees align with your feet. Squats can be modified with a chair for beginners, and as you gain strength, you can add weights for more challenge. This exercise helps with everyday movements like climbing stairs and bending down. Glute bridges are great for strengthening the glutes and improving spinal stability. To do this, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes, hold briefly, then lower back down. This low-impact movement also supports knee health, reduces lower back pain, and enhances mobility, making it easier to walk or climb stairs. You can increase difficulty by adding weights or resistance bands. Speaking of stability, the next essential exercise is the plank, which strengthens not only the core, but the entire body. With the glutes well worked, it's time to shift the focus back to the core, as it's the center of balance and strength for the body. The plank is an exercise that may look simple, but after a few seconds in position, you'll realize just how challenging it can be. To start, support yourself on your forearms and the balls of your feet, keeping your body in a straight line from your heels to your head. The goal is to form a plank position, hence the name of the exercise. One of the keys to proper execution is to avoid letting the hips drop or lift too high, which preserves posture integrity and maximizes strength building. In addition to working the core intensely, the plank strengthens the shoulders, glutes, and even the legs, promoting overall stability. This exercise not only improves posture, but also significantly reduces the risk of falls, an important benefit for those wanting to preserve mobility and independence as they age. Keeping a strong core makes daily tasks like getting up from a chair or lifting objects much safer and more comfortable. The best part is that the plank is extremely versatile. You can start by holding the position for just 15 seconds, and as you build endurance, gradually increase the time. The dead bug is an excellent exercise for safely building core strength. To perform it, lie on your back with your arms extended upward and your legs bent at a 90-degree angle. Engage your core as you extend one leg toward the floor while the opposite arm moves backward, keeping your spine stable. This controlled movement strengthens the core, improves coordination, and protects the spines without putting stress on the joints. The dead bug is low impact and adaptable for all fitness levels, making it ideal for those over 40 looking to improve balance, stability, and posture. With regular practice, your functional strength and endurance will improve, making everyday tasks feel easier. The modified push-up is a great alternative to the traditional push-up, offering the same strengthening benefits while being more accessible. Begin by placing your knees on the ground and your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body, keeping a straight line from your knees to your head, and engage your chest, shoulders, and triceps. This exercise builds upper body strength and endurance, which is vital for daily tasks like lifting objects or pushing furniture. You can adjust the intensity by gradually increasing repetitions or progressing to the traditional push-up. The modified push-up is an excellent way to strengthen the upper body safely and effectively. The hip bridge is an excellent exercise for strengthening the lower body while improving mobility. To perform, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, creating a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. This movement targets the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, enhancing stability and posture. For those who sit for long periods, the hip bridge helps counteract poor posture, relieve tension, and improve flexibility. It also prevents lower back pain by strengthening the muscles around the spine. You can progress by adding a single leg lift or weights for extra resistance. Dynamic stretching is essential for improving flexibility and preventing injury as we age. Unlike static stretching, dynamic stretching involves movement, which warms up muscles and increases joint range of motion. A simple example is the leg swing, where you swing one leg back and forth to warm up the hips and legs. This type of stretching is excellent for activating joints, improving mobility, and reducing the risk of injury. Incorporating dynamic stretches, targeting the shoulders, hips, and knees into your routine can enhance flexibility and prepare the body for more intense activity. Mobility exercises for the spine and hips are crucial for maintaining flexibility and preventing pain, especially after age 40. The trunk rotation is a great exercise for spine flexibility. Sit with legs extended and rotate your torso gently to each side. This helps lubricate the spinal joints and improve flexibility. The hip flexor stretch, which targets the muscle connecting the spine to the hip, can prevent lower back pain. To do this, kneel with one leg in front and lean forward until you feel a deep stretch in the front of your hip. These exercises improve posture, reduce tension, and enhance daily mobility. Lastly, to further strengthen the heart and maintain fitness, let's look at light cardio routines. Over the years, cardiovascular health becomes an increasingly important priority. Light cardio routines like walking, cycling, and even dancing are effective low-impact options for taking care of the heart without straining the joints. These simple activities not only help burn calories, but also improve blood circulation and strengthen the cardiovascular system. The great advantage is that they can be easily integrated into daily life without requiring major changes to your routine. For example, choosing to take the stairs instead of the elevator or taking a walk after dinner are habits that, over time, make a significant difference in your health. Light cardio is especially beneficial for those in their 40s and beyond, as it helps maintain weight control and reduces the risk of heart disease. Regular practice of this type of activity improves physical endurance, allowing you to complete daily tasks with more energy and less fatigue. Moreover, light cardio tends to be gentler on the joints, making it a great choice for those seeking a safe and efficient exercise routine. Combining these activities with strengthening exercises like glute bridges and planks creates a balanced routine that benefits overall body and mind health. If you're already practicing any of these exercises, what changes have you noticed in your routine? Do you feel stronger, with more energy and capacity to handle daily activities? Remember, taking care of your body is an investment in the future. With a well-structured exercise routine, you can achieve an active and healthy life with more independence and joy at every stage of life. And if you're curious to deepen your knowledge about how testosterone levels can impact your energy and vitality, there are even more insights and valuable tips available to help keep your body in balance. If you liked this video, you'll also enjoy this one that's appearing on your screen now. I'll see you there.